soaked in folds of midnight water, side by side, we sons and daughters. We set forth for no king's orders, but we'll sail together. Hold fast, tides are turning, flames roar, fires are burning, we'll all be returning if we sail together.
Disneywonder, if you're ready to party like a pirate, give me an R! Oh, you can be louder than that. Give me an R! Now make some noise, everyone, for Minnie.
Oh, you probably just Mickey, right? Mickey?
No, it's not that lily liver plant lover. 'Tis I, Captain Hook. The crew and I are commandeering your little party. 'Tis high time you learned thou what blood is hot.
Mickey won't let you get away